It's hard to think of a better time for a leading university to introduce a program that is intended to lead in, define public health in coming decades. So public health is concerned with the conditions of the world around us and their health echoes. Our job is to create a healthy world so that none of us are sick to begin with.
Often when someone says public health, what people might think of automatically is like epidemiology and specifically just the spread of disease. But what I think is the most foundational aspect of public health, like the whole thing, is it's about prevention. And that is a lot of things that happen way before you would get infected or even before the disease is introduced.
I see this program as a big step forward for both arts and sciences and WashU in advancing education and innovation. We are setting students up to become leaders in all kinds of fields.
For me specifically, I'm really interested in health disparities. I've looked at disparities across multiple medical fields, whether it's ophthalmology, currently working in an ophthalmology lab, cardiology, and also global health. And so I think that WashU's public health curricula has kind of helped me define that in sort of a way where I'm now asking questions like, why does this occur?
I think that one of the things that sets our program apart is its true interdisciplinary perspective, and that we're walking the walk and not just talking the talk. And so the way that the program has been designed, the fact that it is housed in arts and sciences with this really close collaboration with the School of Public Health, and also with the Olin School of Business, with the Sam Fox School of Art, with the Brown School of Social Work, it is really embedded in this interdisciplinary framework.
I really think it's one of a kind where you get opportunities to work with faculty, world-renowned faculty on public health research. You can present it, you can publish it, and you can also take classes where you'll have the opportunity to go out in the community and serve and volunteer.
No matter what your major is, no matter what career you're planning to go into, you could really benefit from public health courses and just having a new lens in which they go into things with.
Public health is everything because your health is critical to my health. And if we're not all healthy, then as a society we suffer. And I think that our students have an opportunity to help us build this program by bringing their vision, by bringing their enthusiasm, by bringing their creativity, and helping us shape their experience going forward.
WashU as a university has a real focus on training its students to be leaders. We're going to be able to couple that with excellence in public health to create opportunity for leadership in public health.
No matter what a student's interest is, if it has some tangential relationship to improving community well-being and health, public health and society can be a great match.